Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change who can message you on Messenger. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up Messenger, then click on the menu option on the bottom right, and click on Settings at the top. Once you're on here, just scroll down until you see Privacy and Safety. I'm going to click on that. Then again, if you scroll down, you should see who can reach you and message delivery. So you want to click on that. And this will give you two options. And it will let you know at the top, decide whether message requests go to your chats or your message requests folder, or whether to receive them at all. So you can click on Friend of Friends on Facebook, and it will give you three options. You can either have it on chats, message requests, or don't receive requests. And then you can just select update settings if you want to do that. And you can come out of here, then you can select others on Messenger or Facebook and click on that. Then you'll have two options on here. You can have message requests or don't receive requests. So that's how you can change who can message you on Messenger. Thanks for watching.